Hello, Fluency members. It's Milan again. Starting this week, I'll be your Thursday idiom coach. So today's idiom is all about hit it off. If two people hit it off, it means they like each other from the first time they meet. For example, John and Jane hit it off when they met at the party last night. They become friends immediately. Okay, so pay attention to how I pronounce it. Hit it off. The T becomes fluffy sound, so we pronounce it D sound because it is between two vowels I. Hit it off, hit it off, hit it off, hit it off. Alright, so keep studying and I'll see you around. I attached some clips so you can watch it. Here you go.
And we really hit it off. So the first person I really want to thank is Ken. Where are you, Ken? There he is.
And they hit it off fantastically. And the discussion ended with Land taking Adams's portrait on experimental Polaroid film.
So once we met, we really hit it off, started a friendship, and we realized that the more we heard about his story, I read his book, First to Deploy.
We just immediately hit it off because we shared a passion for cars, and we became very good friends, very good.
Since you hit it off the ground, Brad, I was just wondering, how did you come up with this idea? How did the project get started? What was really the spark of creativity that led you to write this book?
Sure.
Pickens up to?
Well, we hit it off together. We agree about the energy situation on most points, and although natural gas is kind of taking it on the chin in California.